Problem one says a cubic function f contains a 0.638, 574, 250, and negative 180. Find the equation for this function and verify in your calculator by plotting the graph and tracing it. So I know it's cubic, which means f of x is going to equal ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And I'm going to use the ordered pair 638. And I'm going to use the ordered pair 574. And then 250 and negative 180. You can see that we have four unknowns here, A, B, C, and D, that we have to find, which is why we need four equations. You're going to get a system here, four unknowns, four equations. And if you remember our work with matrices before, it works better if we reverse this. So I'm going to put the y on the right side. So I'm going to have A times 6 cubed plus B times 6 squared plus C times 6 plus D equals 38. Likewise, A times 5 cubed plus B times 5 squared plus C times 5 plus D equals 74. A times 2 cubed plus B times 2 squared plus C times 2 plus D equals 50. And finally, A times a negative 1 cubed plus B times negative 1 squared plus C times a negative 1 plus D equals 80. So I'm going to set up a matrix here. And here I have 6 cubed. Here I have 6 squared, 6 to the first. Notice the constant, the number in front of D is always 1. That's 6 to the 0 and 38. And that pattern always continues. 5 cubed, 5 squared. You know, if you want to put a 25 in here so it's easier to key in. 5 to the first, 5 to the 0 in your solution. 2 cubed, 2 to the second, 2 to the first, 2 to the 0, solution. Negative 1 cubed, negative 1 squared, negative 1 to the first. Anything to the 0 is 1. And you can see the coefficient in front of D is indeed 1. And our solution 80. I'm going to REF this.